Do you feel drained, anxious, or constantly unlucky? You may be under spiritual attack, or someone may cast a bad spell on you. With this simple jar, you can protect yourself. You need a simple kitchen ingredients: lemon, garlic, vinegar, salt, 21 cloves, and 1 glass jar. First, you are going to clean your space and clean your ingredients. Cloves are here to bring you good luck and protection. Salt is always the protection, no start. First, in your jar, add some salt for protection, as always in every spell. After that, you will add some 3 slices of lemon, which will banish the negative energy. Then you will add 7 peeled garlic cloves. Garlic is very powerful in protection in any kind of spells. And after that, you will add 21 cloves. When you are finished, you just use white vinegar, close the jar, and you will put this jar under your bed for 3 nights. Please let me know what happened, what happens, and how do you feel. Good luck.